Welcome. Take a moment to get comfortable and let your body settle. Let gravity hold you completely. Close your eyes now and feel the breath moving in and slowly moving out. Each breath brings ease, and each exhale helps you soften. And right now, there's nothing to fix. There's nothing to change. Only this moment, and only this breath. And now, begin to picture yourself standing near a slow-moving river. The water is clear, cool, and ancient. It winds through a quiet forest under a soft gray sky. You hear the gentle sound of water flowing and feel the rhythm calling something deep within you. You step closer to the edge, and then you kneel and dip your fingers into the surface. And now, imagine yourself stepping gently into the water. It rises to your ankles. And then to your knees. And eventually, you're standing waist deep in a sacred river. It holds without judgment. It welcomes all of you, exactly as you are. So let yourself relax and feel the current begin to pull away what no longer serves, like worry, regret, tension in your chest. Let it all be drawn into the river. And you don't need to force anything. Just allow it. And now, take a slow breath in, and as you breathe out, imagine letting go of something heavy. And again, inhale, and as you exhale, just release. You might see images, memories, or even feelings. And just let them come and let them pass. You are not these things. you are the one who watches them float away. And now, lean back gently in the water. Feel yourself floating, supported and very free. The river knows where to carry what you release. You don't need to hold it anymore. Let the flow move through your heart, through your belly, and through your hands, and let it take the weight from you. Just flow, breathe, and release. And now, slowly and gently, feel yourself returning to the shore. You step out of the water, but something has changed. You are lighter, clearer, and more whole. The river still flows behind you, always there when you need it. So feel your breath again. Feel the surface beneath you. And feel the strength in your spine and the softness in your jaw. So inhale deeply and exhale fully. And when you're ready, I'll count you back. So 3, you are clear. 2, you are safe. And 1, open your eyes now. Carry this lightness with you into whatever comes next. Namaste.